How to double your business income with one product. Some business owners bank on variety, parking product after product or service packages together as a strategy to scale revenue and grow their company. However, the last couple of decades have seen the evolution of companies that have been built on the backs of only one product. If you are new to this channel, we provide high quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. You may have heard of Spanx, Roku, Michelin, or Gorilla Glue. In the last decade, we have also seen a wave of digital startups literally taking over the world. These products or services don't have delivery logistics to worry about because it happens entirely on the web. They are often companies offering digital products that we didn't know we needed, such as Hubspot, Hotjar, and Mailchimp, and also entrepreneurs like Maria Forla, who built a multi-million-dollar company on the back of one online course. The great thing about this business model is that it's very lean to start up. As an established company looking to scale, extending into online digital products with little need for logistics and delivery is a great low-risk investment that can pay great dividends in the relevant short term. So how can you know if this will work for your business? You can effectively create a product that scales easily if you have the resources below. Project management. You will require the time of a project manager, ideally an in-house employee that is a good all-round with some understanding of marketing would be a great asset. Make sure that you give some tasks to others to help them make room for this project. It will never get completed if it's a project that is a burden on top of the day-to-day and there's never any time. Budgeting. Treat your new digital product like a new startup. Sure, it will at first be funded by the profits in your main company. However, you need to view this as an investment in a startup. And this startup needs to have a detailed plan on how funds will be spent and how the product will scale to pay for itself and become profitable as fast as possible. Your investment will probably need to be around 5,000 to 15,000 euros to build a website and create a digital product, and around 3,000 to 6,000 per month to market and grow the audience for the product till you get a return on investment higher than you invested and can start to scale using the additional revenue instead of investing. Test the product offline. Test the product offline. It must be sellable offline before you can sell it automatically online. Offline, you will see the reaction from the buyers faster and adjust the product price and sales process. This is an input you need to succeed online. Win-win. In order to make it easier to scale up and kick off faster, choose a product that appeals to your audience you already have in your business. This will allow you to tap into the low-hanging fruit of clients that already trust you from other businesses whilst you build an online audience and start selling through your website using SEO and online marketing strategies. This will also help you in your current business because you can tap into the new audience you created later if you're smart about the decisions you take along the way. Timescales and business plan. Make sure that you create a business plan and ideally also a management committee that supervises the performance of the new company, like shareholders. If at all possible, pick people from your company that are qualified to do this, have experience building a company, marketing it, and deadlines with the financials. Offer them a shareholding by means of profit sharing from this product to make sure that they feel like they have the stake in the success of the product. Partners. The final step is to partner with a company that has made this happen before. Make sure that the specialists you pick to help you create the product and sell it have done this for others successfully. It sounds logical, but you'll be amazed how many businesses prefer to pick the agency down the road to the one with a proven track record. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at 3 business goals you can achieve with local SEO. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.